Again. First is shit. Things are only getting worse. You can see that for yourself. The best we can do here is survive. From day to day. Not everyone's succeeding. We're still not able to. The only thing that grows here is our graveyard. I wipe my ass with your dreams, Jan. Why do you accept this reality? Because that's all there is. Apart from a God that says it's you who's to blame for all this.
In a manner that was neither obtrusive nor compromising. We would plant gardens, not monuments. We would leave echoes, not legends. No one ever expected us to become anything other than what we were. Ghent was a marvelous city, one of my favorites in Flanders. With its steepled houses and their multicolored eaves, its stone bridges arching over the canal, bustling mercantile areas, and majestic Gothic spires. It epitomized the enthusiastic Flemish spirit. The climate was rarely harsh. Indeed, I never ceased to marvel at Flanders' temperate seasons, especially compared with the tempestuousness of Castile, and our palace nestled like a filigree ornament amid informal gardens where spring scattered the hedges with wildflowers and tulips clustered about fountains. Seated on a chair under a canopy, I watched my sister-in-law Margaret pace the gravel paths with my baby Charles in her arms, Eleanor teetering behind with Madame Dawan. My 2-year-old daughter was growing into a sturdy child, her Aragonese blood evident in her olive-tinted complexion and the green-amber eyes that were so like mine. In contrast, my Charles was pure Habsburg, his preternatural... 8. A furious quarrel ensued when Doña Ana was informed neither she nor any of my Spanish matrons would accompany me. She threatened to take the next ship back to Spain, and I retaliated by offering her paid passage. I refused to see her after that, celebrate. And we are, for all their bluster that we are the weaker sex. Who knows why a man strays? But I know this much. He never meant to hurt you. He's simply even more of a child than you. A boy forced to grow up too soon. And when boys feel rejected or betrayed, they lash out, often at those they love the most. I did not betray him. I did not deny him the title he sought. I know. All his life, Philip has been taught that his overriding duty is to seek his aggrandizement as a prince. And when a Habsburg is wronged, he must take his vengeance. I understand that. But he is a man now, and Besançon does him no favors. He relies too much on that man. I resisted the urge to add that I knew Besançon had orchestrated this fissure in my marriage. If he had put Philip up to it, perhaps even selected the woman. That day we confronted each other, he had warned me. He as much as declared I should not aim above his power over Philip, and then he went and made sure I understood my limitations. Let me be, said Margaret. But you are his wife, not Besançon's. You must find it in yourself to forgive him, because you are the stronger one. She took my hands in hers. You've no idea how much I prayed that he would find a wife like you, to give him the happiness and care he so desperately needs. My brother lives in a hard world. To survive, he's learned to close off his heart. But with time, and I couldn't imagine the years stretching ahead devoid of the companionship, the love and unity I'd thought I had found. I was 19. I had my entire life to live, and I wanted to share it with the man I had wed. I will speak to him, if you want me to, she added, and I nodded, hugging her close. I am sorry that I've only given you more burdens to carry, I murmured. Oh, Shih. He appeared sober. Suddenly, one of his men leapt onto the table, his arms flung wide.
This federal judge in Washington can do what she wants. These are just recommendations from the Justice Department. The first one was in the 90s.